So we're going to assemble the Edge wheelchair. Once you've taken the items out of the box, you should have the main wheelchair, the footrests, the back cover and the seat pad. Let's start by opening up the wheelchair. Press down firmly on the seat and then lift the backrest and click into position. At this point, I would advise to place the brakes on both sides just to help and the wheelchair won't move. Starting with the seat pad, this is located with Velcro and simply is placed in position, and you fold over the ends so that they secure underneath. With the back seat pad, open it out with the edge towards the back. Place the cover over, and again it's just secured with Velcro front and back. Finally, the footrests. They just simply slot into position, lift the handle and it clicks in. And the same with the right hand one. Lift the handle, place in position and it clicks in. And that's your Edge wheelchair assembled.